This is a video on how to show speed information on GoPro footage using an iPhone 4S. The first step is to install Display Recorder from Cydia. So your iPhone has to be jailbroken. Just go into Cydia, search. I've already started, but I'll do it over. And just search for display, and then the first one's Display Recorder. You want that. You have to pay for it. I'm not sure how much it is, but I've already bought it, so I'll install it. Confirm. Restart. So now we've installed Display Recorder. Go to Settings. There should be a new option, Display Recorder right there. I generally just leave it native device orientation. So if you have your phone like that, it'll record that way. If you have it like that, it'll record that way. Quality. Stuff like that. Show taps. So you'll get a little dot on the screen wherever your finger touches it. Web server, I have that on because that's how I transfer my files over to the computer when I'm done. So, and then this is the app right here where your recordings show up. You can play them from there now. You never could before. And then at the bottom it gives you a URL to put into your computer so you can download the video files direct to the computer, so you don't have to hook it up or do anything through iTunes. Just press the power button, hold it, hit record, and you can see the little finger presses that it records. To stop, you just press it again. Recording complete. Okay. Now if we go into the app, we can see the recording that I just made. You can play video. Like that. So now that's all set to go. To get the GPS data, I just use Allspot GPS. I don't really recommend it over anything else. I just happen to have it from a while ago. So in this case, road. Again, that doesn't matter. I'm going to turn off the lock so I can rotate my screen, and that displays the speed. I can change that to display whatever I want. So you get that up. Display record. Record. So now it's recording whatever's on the screen. I lock that so when I put it in my pocket, it won't just rotate out of it. Also, you're going to want to turn off auto lock because you don't want the screen to turn off partway through recording. Otherwise you'll just record a whole lot of black, which I've done several times. So now that we have some video files recorded, gives you the URL right at the bottom. We just type that into our computer. In my case it's 192.168.1.119:4452, and that pulls up your little display. I'm using Chrome. It doesn't really work that well when you just click it to download, so I just right click, save link as, and then this is the file. I don't know why it's got a crazy name like that, but it does, and save. So once it's saved, you can pull it up, and there we go. Now I just go into my video editing app, which I'm using Nero Video. Now I already have some video that I recorded yesterday of me just riding my bike. Import. That's the GoPro video. And there's the iPhone video. Import those. So now we just have to get the video from the iPhone matched up with the video from the GoPro. So we're looking for a change that is shown on both. So when I turned on my iPhone, I had the GoPro right on it, so I could use that as a cue. So it'll show 5 miles an hour right away, well 6, and then it'll cut down to 5. So I'm going to use that as my change. Just cue forward until that change happens. Right there. And then just put a cut right there. And just before you make any cuts in this, move it. Otherwise you'll have to move both pieces. So I'll just put that up there. Then we're looking for the same change in the video in the top left as what's shown on the GoPro. So we got turn on 646. Jog forward till 565, and then just put another cut right there, and then I can move this to match up. So both these cuts are in the same place. So now if we watch it, the phone should show the same and change at the same time, which it does. And that's pretty much it. You can use it for anything you can show on your iPhone. You can have that embedded too, like map data. Just leave Google Maps up or something like that. Or if you're using Harry's lap timer, you could have GFOS and acceleration info and just put that on your GoPro video. So any questions, just leave a comment. Thank you.